Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to recover your Chime accounts. So if for whatever reason you are not able to access your Chime account, so you lose it, this video is for you on how to recover it. Let's go straight into it. The first method is to recover your accounts through the Chime mobile app. First thing you want to do is to open the Chime app on your mobile device and tap login, and then once you're logged in, go to forgot email/password or recover account. Then you want to enter your phone number or email address associated to your Chime account, and then you want to follow the prompt to receive a verification code. Now you want to enter the verification code and follow the instructions to recover your accounts. It's pretty simple and straightforward. The second method is to do that through the Chime website. So first you want to do is to go to the Chime website and click login, then click forgot email/password or recover account. Then you want to enter your phone number or email address associated with your Chime account. Then you want to follow the prompt to receive a verification code. Then you gotta enter the verification code and of course just follow the instructions to recover your account. Now the third method, this is to recover your accounts through Chime customer support. So you could just call the customer support at the number right there, and of course just follow the prompts to speak with a representative, and they're gonna help you recover your accounts. Now there are some required informations about account recovery. Of course you need a phone number or email address that is associated to your Chime account, of course your Chime account number, and you need a government issued identification such as a driver's license or a passport. You're gonna need these to recover your accounts. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found that useful. If you liked it, if you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.